Many homeowners will never have to deal with foundation issues, but those who have issues have the same question that come to mind. I know I would. Stay tuned to hear 3 questions you may want answered if you think you have foundation issues. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at actionable. If we face the possibility of our home having foundation issues, we can feel helpless. In this video, I'll explain how we test for foundation issues, what time of year is best for foundation repairs, and what you should do if you think you have foundation issues. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. There's a couple main things that you're looking for. Number one is the visuals. You want to look for any cracks that are starting to gap and pull away from the other side of the crack. Also check for the seal around a basement window or the first story window, even doors. Let them tell you if there's some movement or it's being stretched in one direction. Now when it comes to the more exact method, you can use a 4-foot level to determine if your wall's starting to lean in, or even push out. We at actionable use a rotating laser to then go horizontal to see any kind of movement that you may have in the foundation. Best time of the year for a foundation repair is when you find the foundation problem. There's pros and cons to having your foundation repaired in the spring, summer, fall, or winter. Winter is nice because usually your yard's already dead, the plants aren't alive, so doing some kind of this work where you're ripping out landscaping could be a good time to just get it done and be ready in the spring. But in the summer and the spring, it's warmer, the ground can be a little bit drier or even more wet that helps it settle back in a little bit quicker. So there's pros and cons at all different times of the year, but most importantly, be sure to have it looked at when you think there is a problem. Call a professional. Whether you opt to have a structural engineer come out and to assess it, or you go directly to a foundation contractor, get somebody out there that's going to use some measuring devices to find out if you do in fact have a problem, how much has it moved, and where is the problem at. You don't want to just assume because you have a crack, it's always foundation issues. You want an expert to tell you that and in detail how much it's moved and where exactly it's moved at. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, actionable.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your foundation movement? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.